So we were building robot animals for the robot petting zoo, and we built these animals for the past month.
We made robots, and people from our school are coming to see them come to life in a robot petting zoo.
We did block coding, and we did it on Hummingbird, which is a website for coding.
Mr. Dunbar, he set up these challenges for us to practice our coding. Working with Sphero last winter helped us with the coding for today with our animals.
The LED light, and I had a sensor right here. So if you touch this sensor, the head moves up and down and the light goes off.
We coded it, and then that made our robot do different things like moving and acting.
Yeah.
And the code helped it think to do that stuff. I've learned a lot about what the different coding does, and a lot about my animal.
My favorite subject is actually probably STEM.
Because it's kind of fun to be creative to see where your thing goes. But you could be creative with the code too. It was really up to you for everything. So it was really fun.
I'm pretty proud with what we accomplished.
I love learning science at Rumsey.
We love learning science at Rumsey.